Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the Microsoft Surface Duo. Now we've been holding off because of its sky-high price, but it recently went down to a little less than half price and we had to get our hands on it. So let's go ahead and get started. You can see this box is pretty wide. Seems to be one of the sides, the other side. It's a pretty plain box. Back is where it gets all interesting. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and rip this open. Okay. First impressions, this is really nice and clean. Let's see here. Oh, it's a lot lighter than I thought it would be. Seems to have a protective paper on it. You can see very reflective. It's got two full screens here. You can see the camera hole. Not super sure what that is. It's probably a flash. See, it's pretty wide. Fits in my hand, but not super comfortably. You can see the hinges here. This is the back, there's no symbol here. We got the buttons on the side here, SIM card slot. I'm assuming this is the lock, this is the volume. There's the charging, which is a USB-C, which is nice. For hardware that's very old, it's nice that they have USB-C. So, as you can see from the hinge, it flips all the way around. Has a full range of motion. It's actually pretty cool. Okay, we'll turn this on using the button I think is the power button. Well, while that's loading, we will go ahead and finish the rest of this. Oh, you can see that it's powered by Android like it says on the back of the box. Oh, that loaded pretty quick. Okay, looks like it came with a bumper. These directions do not come out, they're part of the box, so there's even a video on how to attach the bumper, but it looks pretty simple. Peel label 1 to remove liner from adhesive strip. Attach the bumper as shown with label 2 and remove label 2. Okay. I'm assuming this is the charger because of the power icon. Yes. This is a power brick, USB-C to USB-C. That's pretty cool. It's interesting they went with black as the charging brick when the device itself is white. See, this is all that's in the box. This looks like it's going to be documentation. Okay, looks like we have an ejector slot, a SIM ejector. Looks like the SIM ejector went in this, just fell out. This warranty and regulatory information, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Okay, This is just a card to let you know what's inside this container. This is the interesting documentation. So it was a flash. Awesome. It looks like there is only one speaker, and oh, it has a fingerprint reader. I did not realize that. Microphone seems to be down here. Good, good. French, Espanol. All right, let's get to the last one. Assuming this is the USB-C cable. That's all that's in there. You can see USB-C to USB-C. All right. One last look at this device. You can see the bezels are pretty thick. Now, I did want to bring in an iPhone 12 Pro Max so you could see the size difference. So you can tell it is a little bit shorter as a phone, but it is a lot wider. You can see right there. And if you look at it from the side, you know, it actually looks pretty about even since it doesn't have that camera bump. But there you have it, guys. That is the Surface Duo. And let us know down in the comments what you would like us to unbox next, and we hope to catch you guys next time.